I could be who you want, cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words up you say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go.
Hey guys, Vinyl Vixen and Miss Bambi here at Rap Sesh. I'm so excited today. I just got my boba drink, I'm happy. So, Amber's been gone for a while. She actually likes to go in adventure mode like all over the world. Where did you just go?
I just went to Thailand. I was in Thailand for 12 days.
Thailand!
Went and played with some elephants, with beaches, we rented scooters, rode around some islands.
Show me your arm.
I got a tattoo, bamboo style, so he did it by hand. Like he literally used Scotch tape to tape on the needles.
That's
and
nuts.
used it, and so it was a lot
Did it
of fun.
hurt more though than your other
No,
stuff?
it felt, it was the same, but you could actually feel it because it's slower than a gun. You could feel it like puncturing through the skin, so it was like popping through the skin. It's the only way I can describe that. But it didn't hurt any worse than
And how long did it take
one.
to do that?
About an hour and a half.
That's like so cool.
Hour and a half, we did it all by hand.
So cool.
Yeah, so it's fun.
So, yeah, we actually have another girl here today. I'm gonna introduce you guys to Miss Kinzey, who is from the OKC, Oklahoma City. All right, and also today we are going to introduce the Wicked Venom. Is that what we're calling it?
Wicked Venom.
Wicked Venom.
I think people agree that it looks like the Wicked Venom.
Yeah, most definitely. It is a Mercedes C63 AMG custom wrap design collab with Galarb Designs and the brand Smith Co. using one of our favorite new materials, that is the 3M clear printed cast vinyl. So yeah, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape when you call my name.
So, I want to introduce you guys to Miss Kinzey, who is actually visiting from Oklahoma City.
I am.
Yeah? And you own your own wrap company. You're kind of like us, like small shop. What's it called?
Sharp Wraps.
And when did you start that?
I started that 5 years ago now.
Geez, 5 years. And we're only like 2 years in, so that's super awesome. How many years have you been installing?
I've been installing for 7 years now.
7 years, and you've owned your own thing for 5.
Yes.
So you've just been totally on your own.
Yep.
See, I think that's so awesome when people just do their own thing, don't care about anyone else, and you have quite the following too with all your work. So that's super awesome.
New to me, the way that you're moving so differently. Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me a time and place. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, give me a time and it's something just like this in the time and place. She's telling me that I tend to get it right, so stay with me. Yeah. Just be safe and hold on tight. Is it just me who's falling? I'm in too deep. Give me a time and place. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, give me a time and
wicked Venom wrap. What car was it again?
Mercedes C63 AMG.
Right? And this was for one of our Instagram fans.
Yeah.
Michael. Not you, Michael, another
me.
Michael.
Don't do that.
Sorry, it's sticking out.
You make it hard.
Let's talk about film. What did we use? Stop talking about your nipples on camera.
You're the one who touched it. Okay.
Film. We wanted to do something really custom. The customer kind of had a theme in mind, and we just took it and ran with it in all different directions. My favorite, want to feel some of that?
So this is on a clear vinyl and with a satin laminate.
Right, so this is 3M 180 MC. This is a clear cast vinyl, really fun to work with, really enjoyed it. It's got an eco-solvent print on it, and then it's with satin laminate.
So as you can tell, on a black, you can't really tell, you know, a little dark.
That's super dark.
Super dark.
So any kind of paint color would totally change up the look of it, but we had it on a white Mercedes.
Yep.
So a lot of the white was showing through, and it made a really, really cool, kind of unique design. And then we also were using Hexus teal chrome with satin laminate.
Super chrome.
Yep, and then we also did a D-chrome on the whole vehicle using either a combination of like this or just laying this directly on the chrome. So we got some really, really cool accent work in there.
Oh yeah.
The customer loved it. He thinks it's like the coolest thing in the world.
It ended up being a super custom wrap. I mean, it was funny because originally it wasn't going to be that custom, and then we just kind of went with it.
Yeah, like we didn't even plan to do like the D-chrome or any of the extra stuff. We were just like, oh shoot,
we
this is
should
cool.
do this.
We need to do this.
We should do this.
Oh wait, we got to talk about my favorite part of that car.
What?
We actually ended up using this film, and we wrapped the sunroof, which was like really dark glass.
Yeah.
And you couldn't see any of the matte, like it just looked like a matte black or a satin black on top of the window. But then when you go inside the car and look up, you can see this whole print.
It was like a stained glass window.
It was like a stained glass window. Like I'm totally gonna do some more windows like that. I think it looked really cool, and it was kind of an unexpected thing.
You could do something totally custom. Like you could even do like water with fish, and you could have like it would look like you're underwater.
You'd have a Galaxy sunroof.
So
really crazy.
So many like limitations.
You're not limited. Don't say that.
So many options with this material.
Oh yeah, it's crazy how dimensional it can be, just depending what base you put it on. So that was really cool. Alright, so make sure to check out our social media. That is Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Wrap Sesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram. If you want to get your daily fix of the Wrap Sesh lab, it gets pretty crazy in here, especially with all of our SEMA cars coming.
Sometimes.
We got lots of SEMA cars, I'm so excited. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe. Did you mess it up?
No.
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe. We'll see you guys next week.